If I told you just one of these angles, could you find all the others? Let's learn how. Angles on a straight line always add up to 180 degrees. So x equals 60 degrees. Angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. Add the known angles, subtract from 360, x equals 75. Vertically opposite angles are equal, not supplementary. Students often add them to 180. That's the wrong pair. Remember SPO, straight line 180, point 360, opposite angles equal. 3 rules, any angle found. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.